Here's the first method to merge two videos. Open your Snapchat app and now long press this capture button and record your first video. Release your finger and now to capture or record your next video, tap this plus icon and then go ahead and record your second video. And to record more videos, you have to again tap this capture button and record more videos. So as you can see, I recorded 3 videos here. Now tapping on preview, and here we can see Snapchat automatically merged all of my capture videos. Now you can just tap on send and you can send the merge video snaps to your friends. So this was the first method to merge videos in Snapchat. Now let's see the second method. Second method, go to your Snapchat. In this right hand menu, tap this arrow and select director mode. Once you selected directed mode, tap this plus icon and now from your camera roll or your gallery, select 2 videos or multiple videos that you want to merge. Then tap on done, tapping on preview, and as you can see, Snapchat automatically merged my 2 videos. As you can see,